This is Entertainment 97. Entertainment 97. Welcome to Entertainment 97. For the love of music, information, reviews, the movies, and the party scene. Entertainment 97.
Coming up, local and international entertainment news highlights, entertainment flashback in 60 seconds, this week's hot happenings, and check this out. Good afternoon, I'm Yashika Graham, and this is Entertainment 97. Heading local entertainment news, Jamaican culture was on full display last weekend at the BET Awards ceremony in Los Angeles. Industry heavyweights Dexta Daps, Spice, Skillibeng, and Cutty Ranks took the stage with American rapper Busta Rhymes, and it had the audience in a frenzy. The 12-time Grammy Award-nominated rapper gave an emotional acceptance speech after being handed the coveted Lifetime Achievement Award. Busta Rhymes also projected images of DJ Kool Herc during his performance. It served as a well-timed reminder that the founder of hip-hop music is also Jamaican. Yeah. For international entertainment, Black Panther megastar Angela Bassett will receive an honorary Oscar, which is all of 30 years after she was first nominated. Bassett received a Best Actress nomination for playing Tina Turner in the 1993 film What's Love Got to Do with It? This year, the star was also up for Best Supporting Actress for her role in Black Panther, Wakanda Forever, where she played Queen Ramonda. Bassett is also known for her appearances in films including Boyz N the Hood, Malcolm X, Music of the Heart, and Mission Impossible Fallout. Still in international entertainment highlights, Canadian rapper Drake has added published author to his roster of accolades and titles with the new release of his own poetry book last week. The book, called The Titles Ruin Everything, A Stream of Consciousness, was released under his birth name, Aubrey Graham. In addition to his new book, the Canadian rapper announced a new album dubbed For All the Dogs. So we can definitely confirm this rapper is on a roll and doesn't seem to be letting up anytime soon. In this week's entertainment flashback in 60 seconds, we get a little closer to wrapping things up with one of our reggae icons, Burning Spear. Like many good things that come to an end over time, so did the group. Burning Spear had broken ties not just with Jack Ruby but also with his two bandmates. He retained the Burning Spear name and set out on his solo career journey with his next self-produced album, Dry and Heavy. The album was recorded with the Black Disciplines at Harry J Studios. Shortly after venturing into his solo career, Burning Spear had already accumulated a significant following in the UK, making his first appearance in the country backed by the local band Aswad. Burning Spear even copped the leading role in the 1979 seminal Rockers movie with his memorable a cappella performance of Jana Dead. But that's not all. He recorded his new album, Hail Him, at Bob Marley's Tough Gong studio with the Black Disciplines in 1980. The Man in the Hills album was released in 1976 and is the successor of the iconic Marcus Garvey album. Starting with Marcus Garvey, Burning Spear's studio albums have remained as groundbreaking canons of dread roots, along with a host of matchless recordings. In 1982, Burning Spear entered a new musical era after closing a deal with the Heartbeat label in the US. He recorded his debut album with them titled Far Over, which featured a new backing group, the Burning Band. Here, Burning Spear began to explore non-cultural themes evident in the She's Mine single, followed by 1985's Resistance, which was nominated for a Grammy Award. 1986 saw the release of People of the World, which was released shortly after leaving the Heartbeat label. Burning Spear moved on to sign a deal with the independent Slash label, where his debut for them also earned a Grammy nomination in 1988. And that's where we pause for the flashback this week. Listen in next Friday, same time, same place, for another epic entertainment flashback in 60 seconds. In this week's Hot Happenings, head out to Triple T's Annette Crescent, Kingston this evening with DJ Edson. He'll be juggling your favorite tunes from 6 p.m. So grab your friends and hold a vibe. And DJ Clyde Badu is shaking things up at Car Park Car Wash, Belmont Road this evening, so you don't want to miss it. The first annual Dub School Festival is here. Head out to Weekends Beach, JA at Wiki Wacky Beach, 8 Miles St. Andrew. Get there from Saturday and party the whole weekend. And go check out Barbie World if you're feeling a little nostalgic. It's by international pop and rap music heavyweights Nicki Minaj and Ice Spice. Have a wonderful weekend. And that's it for Entertainment 97. I'm Yashika Graham. Thanks to technical producer Edson Johnson and producer Abigail Wilson. Catch us again next Friday for your weekly dose of entertainment scoops inside Entertainment 97.